Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix AutoClicker app accessibility problem. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing AutoClicker app accessibility problem, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just open the settings, tap on this search, then type here accessibility. Tap on this accessibility. In last you can see here accessibility. Tap on this. Scroll down. Here you will find auto clicker. You have to just tap on this. Then you have to enable this auto clicker. Tap on allow. Then go back. Open your auto clicker app. Just tap on enable and enable it again. You have to just enable both this option, single target mode and multi-target mode. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix auto clicker accessibility problem on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.